Hi everyone, and welcome back to your daily cybersecurity briefing. I'm your AI host, and today is Monday, January 19th, 2026. The last 24 hours have been incredibly busy in the world of digital threats. From high-level warnings at the World Economic Forum to a massive spike in ransomware activity, we have a lot to cover. If you're a CISO, an IT pro, or just someone who wants to stay safe online, let's dive right into the updates. We start today in Davos, Switzerland. At the World Economic Forum, global leaders are sounding a major alarm. For the first time, cyber-enabled fraud has overtaken ransomware as the #1 concern for CEOs worldwide. In fact, 87% of leaders report that AI-driven vulnerabilities are their biggest hurdle this year. Speaking of ransomware, new data confirms that attacks surged by 58% over the past year. Currently, the most aggressive players are Chelan and Lockbit 5.0. They aren't just hitting anyone. They are specifically targeting the healthcare and manufacturing sectors, where downtime can literally be a matter of life and death. Now, let's talk about what you need to patch right now. First, CISA has officially added a new Windows 0 Day, CV 2026-20805, to its known exploited catalog. This flaw in the desktop window manager is being used in the wild to bypass memory protections. If you're managing federal or corporate systems, you must patch this by February 3rd. We are also tracking two critical Microsoft Office flaws, CV 2026-20952 and 953. These allow attackers to take over your system if a user simply opens a malicious document. Lastly, if you use SAPS/4HANA, a critical SQL injection patch was just issued with a nearly perfect 9.9 severity score. Don't wait on this one. It allows low-privileged users to gain full system control. Turning to active threats, a new group called Orion has emerged on the dark web, claiming 13 victims in its first day. Analysts say they are currently recruiting for an exclusive affiliate program. In the mobile space, the Astaroth banking Trojan is back with a twist. It's now using WhatsApp Web to steal session tokens and bypass multi-factor authentication. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency has confirmed a major incident. A hacker claims to have stolen 200 gigabytes of data, including sensitive API tokens and source code. And for the 17 million users affected by the recent Instagram leak, watch your inbox. A massive phishing wave is hitting today, using legitimate-looking password reset emails to trick you into clicking malicious links. That's your briefing for January 19th. The landscape is shifting toward AI-driven fraud and blockchain-based malware, so stay vigilant. If you found this update helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you tomorrow with another breakdown. Stay safe out there. For cybersecurity-related courses online training, please contact VLR Venkat +91 905 986 8766.